Single-level ranch plans are becoming more and more popular, and one of the builders that is meeting this need with many designs and still offered at an affordable price is Smith Douglas Homes. So today I am here with Claire. So Claire, why do you think the ranch plans are so popular?
You know, I think many people prefer that convenience of the one-level living, and here at Smith Douglas Homes we do offer several different ranch plans. In fact, half of our top-selling floor plans last year are ranch homes.
You know, first impressions are so important, and when you walk into this particular ranch plan, it is so wide open and spacious.
Isn't it beautiful? You know, I think it's partly to that 9-foot ceilings, which comes as standard in Smith Douglas Homes. Also, the wide entries and the wide doorways really adds to that spaciousness. Many like an open concept home design for entertaining, and you're sure to find that in our ranch style homes. Our home designs bring the light in and offer excellent indoor-outdoor flow. Our homes offer options for extended patios, covered space, ceiling fans and more, depending on your location and home site. In the southeast, our climate makes for a beautiful 4 seasons, so you can enjoy your coffee comfortably on that porch.
And Claire, what type of home buyer are you seeing buy the ranch home? Is it an empty nester, people who are downsizing?
You know, we do see a lot of empty nesters and people that are downsizing, but equally we see families, and they want that one-level living, fast access to the bedrooms and also hobby spaces. In fact, those who are downsizing from another home will find great value in our storage and utility spaces. Some of our floor plans offer large walk-in pantries along with convenient mudrooms and an owner's entry perfect for pet leashes, shoes and backpacks to keep all the clutter out of sight. Most of our ranch-style homes offer an option for a convenient pass-through from the owner's suite and closet right into the laundry room. With this tucked away and convenient access point, laundry can be made easy.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about ranch homes and Smith Douglas Homes, you can go to our website, smithdouglas.com, where it's your home, your choice, within reach.